Withdrawing funds from your Wells Fargo account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Visit a Wells Fargo branch. Locate a nearby Wells Fargo branch using the bank's website or mobile app. Make sure to check the branch hours before heading out. Step 2. Prepare your identification. Bring a valid form of identification, such as a driver's license or passport, along with your Wells Fargo account information. This will help verify your identity during the withdrawal process. Step 3. Fill out a withdrawal slip. Once at the branch, request a withdrawal slip from a teller. Fill out the slip with your account number, the amount you wish to withdraw, and your signature. Step 4. Present your identification and slip. Approach the teller and present your filled out withdrawal slip along with your identification. The teller will verify your information and process your request. Step 5. Collect your funds. After processing, the teller will hand you the cash or check for the amount withdrawn. Make sure to count the money and keep your receipt for your records. With these steps, you can easily withdraw your funds from Wells Fargo. Always ensure you have the necessary identification and account details for a hassle-free experience.